If Google Drive is showing the error 429, too many requests, don't worry. This usually means Google has temporarily blocked requests because too many actions happen too quickly. In this video, I'll show you exactly what causes it and the best step-by-step fixes you can try right now to get back into your files faster. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, it helps to understand what this error is actually telling you. A 429 error is basically Google's way of saying, slow down. It can happen after repeated downloads, too many uploads, refreshing the page over and over, hitting a download limit, or using automation or sync tools that send a lot of requests at once. So if you've been trying the same action again and again, that may be exactly why Drive is blocking you temporarily. The first and simplest fix is to wait before retrying. Stop refreshing the page and stop clicking download again and again because repeated attempts can make the limit last longer. In many cases, waiting just 50 minutes to a few hours is enough for the error to disappear on its own. Google often clears the block automatically, so give it some time and then try again later. If you're trying to download a lot of files, the next fix is to download smaller batches. Instead of selecting a huge folder or a massive zip file all at once, try downloading fewer files at a time. Large downloads can trigger rate limits much faster, especially if Google thinks the activity looks unusual. Breaking the job into smaller pieces can make a big difference. Another useful step is to sign out and sign back into your Google account. Open Google Drive, sign out completely, and then log back in again. This can refresh your session and sometimes reset the limits tied to your current login. It's a simple step, but it often helps when Drive gets stuck in a temporary request loop. Next, clear your browser cache. If you're using Google Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cookies and cached files, then restart your browser and open Drive again. Old cached data or corrupted cookies can sometimes keep the error going even after the original issue is gone. If the problem still shows up, try using Incognito Mode. On Windows or Chromebook, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. Then open Google Drive again in that private window. Incognito mode can help bypass certain extension conflicts, cached session issues, or browser add-ons that may be interfering with Google Drive requests. You should also temporarily disable extensions and VPNs. Turn off download managers, browser automation tools, and any VPN you may be using. These tools can sometimes make too many requests in the background or change your connection in a way that causes Google to limit access. If Drive works after disabling them, you found the cause. If none of that works, change your internet connection. Restart your router or switch to a mobile hotspot and try again. Sometimes Google places limits on a specific IP address or network pattern, so changing connections can help you get past the temporary restriction. The key thing to remember is that Google Drive error 429 is usually temporary, and in most cases, it can be fixed without losing any files. Start with the waiting method, then move through the other steps one by one until Drive works normally again. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone else who is seeing the same Google Drive error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.